Hey y'all, so I'm about to make some spaghetti for lunch right quick. I had this packet of ground turkey that I bought from a couple weeks ago that was in my freezer, so I'm going to use it up. I have no onions and I have peppers, so we're going to use peppers. Basically, I'm just using what's in my fridge because you know Saturdays are grocery shopping days, so I have pretty much nothing as far as herbs and things like that are concerned. I have this is the spaghetti sauce I'm using, Parmesan cheese, and yeah, we're just gonna make this nice, quick, and easy. All right, you guys. So I have my ground turkey going. You can use beef, but I'm using ground turkey today. All right. So to season this up, you're gonna add some garlic powder, black pepper, and dried basil. That's pretty much it, kids. You can add your salt. I'm not adding salt. And yeah. Alright, so I added the peppers that I showed you guys earlier and a couple tablespoons of butter. And I'm just going to let this cook down for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to add the marinara sauce. Alright, add your marinara sauce. And then I'm also going to add like a half a cup of water to this. Alright, so this is basically what you end up with. I used the whole jar, and then I also added a half a cup of water. I'm going to cover this and allow it to simmer for 10 minutes. Alright, you guys, so this is what my spaghetti looks like, just like this. I'm going to sprinkle it on. This is just my finishing touch because I like a little heat down in here. I put some crushed red pepper flakes, and then I'm going to sprinkle on this Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese. This is definitely a flag on the play, but it's what I had available. So that's what I'm going to use. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It was pretty simple. Like I said, every now and then y'all are going to get these recipes where I just use whatever is in my fridge. So